So, ganito po ang ganap kapag naliligaw po tayo. Ito na po ako nakarating sa... Ewan ko kung ano ba yung lugar na iyan. So, hinahanap ko po yung... Ano ba yan? Bilihan sa sigarilyo. On the corner daw. Kuna. Ang corner naman ay restaurant. So, ayan po. Corner. 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 I think yes. Hopefully. Let's ask. Ano siya? Ayan po. Ayan po ay nice. Pharmacy nagtitinda ng sigarilyo. Parang hindi naman makatatahanan. Sabi niya, on the corner. E nakita ko man, pharmacy man siya. So, on the corner, baka doon sa corner na. Ayan po sila. Corner. Bonjour. Can I have something?
Yeah?
Where can I buy tobacco?
I don't know. I don't smoke. Sorry.
Sorry. No, because I just want to buy an internet.
I don't know.
No, I don't. Merci.
I'm here on vacation too.
Ah, also?
Yeah.
Alright, enjoy! Hopefully. Alak naman siya. So, puro alak ko. Alak. It is in the corner. So, doon tayo sa kabilang corner. Corner daw. Corner. Let's go on the corner. Bonjour. Can I ask something? Where can I buy a cigarette?
Cigarette?
Yeah, tobacco? Here. Gracias. Excuse me. Ito na yata siya. Ito na yata. No. It's alak pa din. Thank you. Vocal sa pinto. Bonjour. Good morning. Do you sell internet?
Sorry?
Internet? Hold on.
Internet?
Yeah?
SIM card?
Yeah, I got a SIM card and then they told me to buy this one here.
Yes.
Is it available?
Yes.
You have it here?
Want this one?
Yeah?
Yes.